Look at me for a second. If you think confidence comes from success, you have been lied to. Because the truth is, confidence is built before the success, not after it. Today, I'll show you how to build unshakable confidence. Even if you feel scared, insecure, or lost right now, stay till the end. This might change how you see yourself. Most people believe I'll be confident when I succeed. That's backwards. Confidence doesn't come from winning. Winning comes from the confidence. Nobody starts confident. Not athletes, not speakers, not entrepreneurs, not businessmen, and not leaders. They act first, confidence follows. If you wait to feel ready, you will wait forever. Let's be honest. The problem is not intelligence. The problem is not talent. The problem is too much comparison, too much scrolling. So you think everyone is ahead and you are behind. But here's the truth. You are not insecure, you are not undertrained. Confidence is a skill, and skills are built through the repetition. Confidence is not loudness, confidence is I trust myself to handle whatever comes. That trust is built when you keep promises to yourself. You do hard things. You show up even when you are scared. Every small win builds self-respect, and self-respect becomes confidence. Keep small promises. Say you will wake up at 7, do it. Say you will study for 30 minutes and do it. Confidence grows when your brain says, I trust myself. Big promises break confidence. Small promises build it. Confidence comes from competence. Choose one skill. Sales, writing, editing. Get 1% better every day. No skill, no confidence, no growth. Confidence is built in discomfort. The first time will feel uncomfortable, the 10th time will feel normal, and the 100th time will feel powerful. Let me tell you something important. Discipline creates confidence faster than motivation. Motivation is temporary, discipline is permanent. And permanent confidence is built on discipline. Here's the financial truth. People do not get paid for potential. They get paid for confidence. Confidence helps you ask for opportunities, learn faster, take calculated risks, lead instead of follow. Your income grows with your confidence level. Let me leave you with this. You do not need confidence to start. You need action. Take action today. Confidence will meet you on the way. Build yourself quickly, and one day the world will notice. If you are serious about growth, mindset, and financial discipline, follow this journey because confident people do not wait for permission, they build themselves. Take care.